Oh my god, one of those emoji puppies. Hello you guys, and today I'm just going to do a simple vlog down at the park, but I'm going to be telling you about the new viral thing, these. Go follow Johnson Brush now that I almost have 200 subscribers. I'm going to try and get 200 subscribers today. I hope people like it. If I'm going to try and aim for 50 likes on this video and 200 subscribers, I think. And once I get that, I'll hopefully repost every day. I turned in a video yesterday, I think. No, I didn't. But my last video was about funny signs. If you've not watched that, go and watch that now. But first, watch this video because it's going to be just down at the park doing some things with fidget spinners. Peace out. Guys, we're not going to the park. We're going to be around the block. But my mum has been so kind. And as we're walking, we got these big babies. They're really nice. Minstrels. If you've not had them, you have not. You're probably watching this maybe in America, but these are minstrels from the UK. Right, it's like chocolate. It's like Galaxy, I think. Yeah, Galaxy with like a crunchy layer of chocolate on top. They're really nice. I'm not sure. And the weather's awful. I'm talking to YouTube, to my 175 subscribers. Well, around 275. And when we get further on, I'll talk to you then. I'll debut on the fidget spinners, and I'll tell you about the fidget spinners. And yeah, and also maybe in a couple of videos' time, I'm going to be doing a fidget spinner unboxing. If you want that, then leave a like, because with my fidget spinner unboxing, I've got like 4 new fidget spinners ready. I've got a 2x2 plastic one. I've got a normal 3 one with emojis on it. I've got like a 6 one that's metal with blue indents on the curvings. What's the last one? Oh yeah, and then I got a blue skull one. But until then, guys, until a couple of seconds now, but until the fidget spinner unboxing, we won't be unboxing anything for a while. If you want to like send me some things, maybe like DM me and ask me some questions. Ask me questions, because my next video, maybe later on today, or maybe it might be tomorrow, I'm going to be doing questions and answers about me. And yeah, go follow me on Snapchat. I'll update you what my Snapchat is, because I can't remember off by heart. I'll update you on Instagram. I'll update you then when we get there, a few seconds on. But until then, guys, peace out. Stop the video and put it down for a second. But look, as you can see, I've just spun it because I have no place to put my phone down. There's a bench over there. Hello, I found land. I'm such a freaking idiot. Guess what? So the bench that you just saw was all the way over there. And I just recorded about like 6 minutes, like a little bit. Right? No, of course that's not the whole video, because I need to put the little bits together to make like a 10-minute video. But I just made like about a 5-minute video back there talking about this one and my American one. And guess what? Guess freaking what? It wasn't recording. No, that's my fidget spinner. Damn you, grass, damn you. Ow. No. Just because it's gold doesn't mean you have to put yellow grass on it. See you in a second. I'm on this iPad mini, which I'm going to record. Up first is Donald Trump. Yeah, it's a plastic one. It makes a racket, but my gold one's there, but we're going to be using this one first. Then we're going to go to that one. Then we're going to just do a tower, have some fun, and yeah, just set up. Okay, that was quite quickly. We're on. I don't know. we're on this. You probably can't see it because of the light. Oh, it's actually going quite slow. That fell. If that fell. Oh, right, okay. I thought I was going to have to stop it and see you in a second. But we were on only 30 seconds. That is quite bad. As soon as it stops, I'll stop it. So, I'm going to... It was 33 seconds. Wow. Let's say 34 seconds because that is... Because it... You guys probably can't see it, but it does say 0.97. Wow. Camera for you guys must be actually rubbish for you guys, but it does say 33 seconds, 0.97. So let's say 34 seconds. Now for the good one. Right, so we are ready. We reset it. Okay, we're going to spin, press start. Okay, see you in a second. I thought I'd just show you here because you can't see it, but it does say 40 seconds and it is sort of slowing down. So it is at now 50 now. Oh, and it's slowing down. It's slowing down. I'm ready to press stop. There we go. I pressed stop and we had quite a long time in that one, but it wasn't what I was expecting. Strange. Because they didn't do too good. I thought they'd actually do better than that, but I guess not. Did you guys just see that? That's not right. I'll find out what's gone wrong. Oh, that's off. Right. I'll just go and fix this, but I'll put it back into place. But I still don't think that is the reason, because it is making a bit of a racket. Like, it's going like... It's making that sort of sound. So I think there is something wrong with it. My best fidget spinner. For now, because remember, I'm going to be unboxing the ones from Amazon. So I think we're going to do the test again. It was like 54 seconds, but we're going to 59 or something, but we're going to redo that now. 3, 2, 1, go. See you in a second. Oh, hang on. It stopped. I only had about 5 seconds. Hang on. If I turn it around. Ah, yes. Because it sticks out when I do it on the floor. It sort of puts the weight on here, so it goes like that. So if it's like that, then it's not going to spin, because basically someone pressing it down. So let's try this again, but with it the right way up this time. Reset. And let's do it. See you in a second. It's slowing down. We're on 1 minute, so it beat last time. 1 minute, 5 seconds now. Hang on a second. Still going. Should have probably kept you off, but there's no point turning you off now, just to turn you back on in exactly a second. So, hang on. Okay, so it's stopping, and then it just like... Did you see that? It just like slows down, and then it goes like... So it's like... There we go. 1 minute, 33 seconds, 0.28. That's rubbish. But it is better than the American one. So yeah. We know which one's better. The American one, because this one depends on which side. But when you put it on the right side, it actually works. So, see you next time. Goodbye.